Welcome to BuySpares. In this video, we are replacing the drum support wheels on a Candy tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the BuySpares website to order the right part for your model. Take out the two screws at the back of the lid, then push it from the front to release and lift off. We are going to take the control panel off, so take a photo of the wiring connections. Pull the connections off and remove these two screws. Take the door seal out by pulling it towards you to remove it. The kick panel pulls off. To get the front panel off, take the two screws from both sides of the panel at the top here. On the left hand side, you only need to remove the top screws that go through the cabinet to the front ring assembly. Leave the bottom ones as they go into the hinges and don't need to be removed. There are two screws on the right hand side that go into the front ring assembly, and there are two screws at the bottom of the panel. Pull the front panel forward and there is an electrical connection on the door lock. Take a photo at this point, then pull the connections off and lift the panel away. Take the electrical connection out of the NTC, unhook it from the ring assembly and leave the cable to one side. There are four screws holding the front ring assembly to the cabinet located here and need a 7mm nut spinner to remove them. To take out the assembly, lift the bottom section to clear the locking pegs to allow you to move them above the cabinet to release. Tilt the assembly towards you to release the top section pegs from the cabinet and now lift it out. Take out the screw in the support wheel with a nut spinner. Place the new support wheel into position and refit the screw. Put the front ring assembly back into the cabinet by tilting the top section to get the pegs into the correct place. Lift the assembly so the pegs align correctly into the cabinet. Then push the assembly down to lock it into place. Then refit the four screws with a nut spinner. Refit the electrical connection to the NTC and make sure the cable fits back into the assembly. Use the photo from earlier if you need to fit the connections back onto the door lock. Place the front panel back against the cabinet and fit the screws back in. Refit the kick panel. The door seal will clip into the ring assembly. Start at the bottom by pushing the seal edge into the gap and go all the way around, then check the door closes correctly against the door seal. Replace the control panel. Refit the screws. We can now use the photo we took earlier to refit the wiring connections. And slide the top back into position. Refit the two screws at the back. And there we have it, one drum support wheel replaced on a Candy tumble dryer. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.